I got a text message. She started a group text message between my dad and myself. But she said that she had an intent to leave or whatever, but I had nothing to do with her.
Did you know when she was planning to leave?
No.
So you didn't
As
tell
far
your
as the
mother
decision,
that she was
no.
leaving in December?
No.
You didn't understand that to be the case?
I didn't understand that to be the case.
Okay. And you believe that she was in the premises beyond December?
Yes.
What makes you believe that?
The house was full of her stuff. The furniture was gone, but...
So you're saying you never got a notice that she was leaving?
Orally
Did you
or
prepare
written.
a written notice?
Her son texted me back and let me know that.
You have that text?
No, because it took 3 years for her to file, so I didn't. I've had a new phone
You have a
and
text
service.
to the defendant where?
No.
So how much rent did you owe?
So at that time, I did not pay December's rent because I had already paid my last rent in that chunk. So I left at the end of December and I didn't pay anything.
What about the utilities?
The utilities, I have no problem paying them, which is what I also told her lawyer, but I was never provided a bill.
Did you ask for your security deposit back?
I asked for my security deposit in the text and with her lawyer.
You mean the same group chat text?
Yeah, I gave him my forwarding address to send back my deposit.
Why didn't you send a text to the plaintiff?
I had been calling her and she wasn't answering. So I sent a group chat with the number I had for her
And you don't have
and
that
him.
group chat text?
No, it's 3 years, so I didn't keep it.
And did you send to the defendant an itemized list of the damages that she was responsible
Yes.
for? When did you do that?
My attorney did.
When did he do that?
He did that in January. I think you have a copy of it, too.
Don't you owe her $500?
I don't owe her anything, Your Honor.
Why?
If I can explain, I'd been trying to get together with her to find out what checks were missing, and I kept calling her. Then she started saying that I was harassing her, and then she started complaining about the mice infestation. So I sent her a 48-hour notice to enter to look at the mice infestation that she said were eating her alive.
Why don't you owe her $500 of the security deposit?
She never paid a security deposit.
I have a question. When did you lease the unit to a new tenant?
February 5th.
Ma'am, you said you left the premises clean?
Well, without damage. I couldn't, since it
You
was...
said clean.
Yes, it was clean to, like...
You know what this is?
No, I don't even know.
Did you have a dog?
No.
You didn't have a dog?
My dog stayed with my mom because he has separation anxiety. I have a thing for a service animal, but he did not end up staying with me.
Right. Why did you provide that as evidence? Service animal proof if you didn't have a dog with you at the place.
Because that was one of the things she was trying to charge me for randomly was a dog fee. And I'm like, I have a service animal, but even then he wasn't staying with me.
And where was this?
Her front yard.
Could it have been other people's dogs going onto the...
It's fenced.
Yeah, but the unit, there's another house on the property and she had pets over as well. There's no way that that could possibly be just my animal, and he didn't even stay there.
But you said dogs over as well, in addition to what? To you?
I didn't have a dog staying with me.
So, Ms. McCarthy, let me explain this to you. You have the responsibility to prove that she didn't pay
Yes.
you on certain dates.
Well, my problem was trying to get together with her to compare notes. The $2,000 check that was...
Did you give her an itemized list of things that you were using the security deposit for?
The attorney mailed it to her, and it came back because she never had a change of address. We couldn't find her.
You have that proof?
No, I don't have it with me. No, I don't.
Okay. The parties are excused while we do the
I'd like to submit this.
the cleaning bill.
We have that.
We have it.
Oh, do you have
Yeah,
it?
we already looked at it.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Thank you both very much.
This case really annoyed me. You two came up to court asking us to believe your version and your version with nothing to really support it. So we did the best we could. We took the month that she moved in, which was August, and the month that you moved out, which was December, tacked on January because you rented out the unit to a new tenant in February. So we're going from August to January at $1,500 a month, and that came out to $9,000. You provided documentation that you at least made payments in the amount of $6,500. So $9,000 minus $6,500 leaves $2,500. And you're lucky you're getting that, because you literally came in with nothing. No evidence. Your countersuit, again, we don't have any proof that the payments that you made were towards security deposits. So your counterclaim is dismissed. So the verdict is in favor of the plaintiff in the amount of $2,500. Luck to the both of y'all.